Absorption sellers and Q.
Welcome everyone, or anyone should I say. Let's see what's going on in the good old New York session. All right. Da-da-da-da. We had some news, and it seems like we might be going back up there. I just put a buy side marker right to 468. Do we have some other news except for FOMC? No, we only have the FOMC minutes. So better to expect some sideways price action. The only thing that we can do maybe is, hold on, just have to make a quick phone call. All right, we're here. I was just making the usual phone calls. Let's see what's happening here. So we had the news and we spiked up a little bit. I still see some buy side up there, but as I said, because of FOMC, the only thing we can have here is maybe a little bit of volume around the 400. Oh, maybe it goes down here. It's kind of looked like a bullish order block, but technically it is. But I don't know how far this can push price. So we just have to wait and see. I'm just checking what can be seen here. Basically nothing. Nothing is happening. So I'm just gonna grab a drink. I'm sorry, everyone. Phone calls are coming in all the time, and thank you so much for joining. If someone is watching, oh yeah, someone is here. You guys are watching the stream. We're basically not expecting too much here. Market is about to open, so until then, not gonna do anything specific. Let me know what you guys are doing. Seems like we had some nice trades on the Russell. Oh yeah, we had a nice trade on the Russell index. At least what the hell is this music, man? Okay. P Trader, hey there. Sitting on my hands. That's the best position. That's the best position, and you deserve the applause. That's the best position. So, my indicator told me to go short on Russell, and I didn't take it. I don't know why. Maybe because it was after news. I know you guys don't trade the Russell. Okay. ES. Let's check out ES. Hopefully it's bullish still. No trades for you this week? Why is that? Because of FOMC or because of news? We still have, today is Wednesday, still have Thursday. Oh yeah, non-farm payroll. Why is everybody so scared? I mean, I know why everybody is scared, but is really that the case with anyone? If there is a non-farm payroll week, guys, everybody is like, no, please don't take it on yourself. I'm just curious because of the news. Yeah. So let's just, okay. We have 20 trading days in a month. So we extract 5 trading days because one trading week is going to be non-farm payroll. That leaves us 15 trading days. And what else do we have? We still have the CPI, which well actually is not that bad. We have CPI and we have, so and we have some holidays maybe on average every month, so we have to extract another 5. That means in 30 calendar days we maybe have 8 to 10 days to trade in a month. Because some people are not trading Fridays, some people are not trading Mondays. I know many traders are saying, oh, we're not trading because it's Friday. So if someone is not trading on Friday and someone is not trading on Monday, that goes 3 trading days. And you also take 1 full trading week off. That gives you about 9 trading days, maybe 10 in a whole month, in 30 calendar days. That is not too much. Although the professional traders say that you don't really need more than that. You only need a few days to trade. Anyway, I totally get it. Manipulation and everything. So I understand that. I totally understand it. So the best position to be in is definitely sitting on our hand. Yes, took some new lows here. If I look at the higher time frames, well, nothing to be seen. Okay. Look at this long wick candle here on the 5-minute. That was news. I expected to run it all over there. It's only 7 handles. We have equal lows at 384. They can run this. Let's check the regular trading hours, which was 567, the closing price. So quite a huge gap. Yeah. Quite a huge gap. Look at this. We're down here. We're down here since yesterday, regular trading hours. This is a significant gap here. Not saying that it's going to fill it, but it's still a significant gap. And the other gap is down there, but this one is a huge one. All right. So what could happen here? They're gonna run it maybe to the lows. Other than that, we have a fair value gap at 74. I still like to see some buy side up there at 468. That would be awesome. What else do we have? Nothing. All right. Still less than 10 minutes to go. So just gonna have to wait. We have quite a few orders resting at 87. Right below here on the book map, which I'm not using. I'm just interesting to see what's going on. Okay. Is this going to be a sell-off? Who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? All right. So it seems like that we are in the middle of nowhere. Let me delete this buy side. That's from London. We have 500 there. Small tiny fair value gap maybe. Let's see. Well, on the 1 hour, yes. Very, very, very tiny fair value gap down here. Please guys, if you can support the stream, please push the like button. If you can. And subscribe to the channel if you would like to. And grab your discounts from one of these superb accounts. BULENOX and Apex has a great sale. Make sure to grab those. There's some nice codes. Okay. Let me know what you guys are doing. Of course, everybody's waiting for market open. That's like 100%. So here's the 1 hour fair value gap down there. Let's see if we're gonna go down there again just to reprice it or rebalance it. It's like very close. It's just a few points. The trading competition starts tomorrow with Funded Next. So I decided to enter. That's gonna be some hell of an extra content. Oh man. That's gonna be something else. Oh, thank you for the sub. J Peak. J Peak. Sorry if I mispronounced it, but you deserve an applause. Thank you for joining, subscribing. Let's look at what's going on. Still a little bit more than 5 minutes. Possible targets could be, for example, down there, a sell side liquidity on the 15-minute. Look at that, sell side liquidity. There you go. We have a small liquidity void. Oh. Not liquidity void, it's a price range that has been it was a liquidity void, repriced but not rebalanced, unbalanced price range, I would say so. Down there, it's not that big, it's like, well, almost 1 full point. Right there. That can also be interesting. Jay, hello. Toronto. Oh my god. We have somebody from Toronto. Somebody else was from Toronto. I think Shahid or someone. I don't know. Welcome. It's awesome to have someone from Canada. Hey, Viox. Nice to see you, man, again. It's awesome. I like to see people from Canada. Thank you so much for subscribing. All right. I have no plan right now. We just have to see what the market wants. And after that we will see, or we shall see. Could be wrong. We shall see. Well, almost a bullish order block, not so clean, but technically we have a bullish order block here. Buy side liquidity is up there. Wyox, how is your trading going so far? By the way, look at this daily candle. Opened up with this gap. I don't know. A little bit strange. We should be closing higher, right? Kind of an interesting day. Oh, really? A new Apex account. That's awesome. Go with Apex. Apex is good. Apex is cool. The best thing in Apex and Rhythmic is... Oh, Rhythmic is... Listen, you can go with the Rhythmic account, but use Quantower or Ninja Trader. At this point, I would say go with Quantower because as far as I've seen, Quantower is able to connect to any kind of Rhythmic account. So, for example, I would say download Quantower if you have an account already. Download it and log in with the Rhythmic servers, and you should be able to connect to the account. Rhythmic is a pain to trade, but go with TraderWeight or with Quantower if you can. I know Apex, if you choose Rhythmic at Apex, you are able to connect with Quantower. I tried it, so it's possible. You can absolutely do that. You just have to add your Rhythmic credentials and that's it. You choose Rhythmic connection and it's going to connect. And it's going to be awesome. Did I say that? I did. So the thing why Apex and BULENOX is a little bit better than TOPSTEP, for example, in trading, is that you can go with micros and it's much better for trade management. Of course, on the combine you can go with 5 micros on a 50k or more with 100 or 150, but when you get funded you're forced to trade with minis because, for example, on the, as I told this before, on a 50k account you cannot trade with more than 2 micros, and that sucks. I think they should do something about that. They should definitely do something about that. All right. Market is about to open, guys. I'm trading with TraderWeight on TradingView, but today can't. Yeah, so TraderWeight has issues like that. TraderWeight has these kind of issues. Personally, myself, I don't like to trade with TradingView. TradingView is good for charting, but for trading, I don't like it because it has some lag. It's not that smooth, in my opinion. Anyway, 10 seconds, cover your ears. There's going to be an opening bell. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, market is open, taken out sell side. I trade futures because options are, in my opinion, much more difficult and much more riskier to trade. So that's why I don't trade options. I'm looking to trade maybe stocks in the future. But for now, I trade index futures because I found it much more simpler, easy to handle, easy to understand. Stocks also a potential option for me. But you know, we'll see how it goes. But options, I don't really want to go into options because I heard a lot of bad stories from people who I know personally as well, and through internet. I think I don't want to risk. I would be absolutely happy to master one kind of method for trading, which would be great for me. The futures would be awesome for me. And you know, I was trading forex as well for years, and these markets I'm okay with. Actually, I like futures better and better in the past almost 2 years. So I like it. It's fine. So the market opened up, poked into this sell side liquidity down there. Russell dropped quite a bit. That was nice. We can still go down. We have sell side at 359 if it wants to drop furthermore. ES is fighting at the middle. Let's check higher time frame ES. Point of control a little bit down there. ES is not that exciting right now. We have more liquidity on the bullish scenario here. Nasdaq, well, if Nasdaq wants to go down, then the best target should be right down there at 306.25. But because we have FOMC, I don't think that after the silver bullet hour we're going to have too much fun. Maybe not even then. So manipulation can be in place. So I went down to the 1 minute. If I would see some nice displacements towards the upside here, then maybe I would take it. Maybe. I'm gonna check the 30-second chart too, just to make sure that we're not missing anything. Okay, so there is a displacement on the 30-second chart. Small fair value gap. Heading higher into the 20s. Looks like wants to take out 26, maybe. Yeah. Going for 26. I'm not in any trade. Okay, 26 has been taken out, I think. Yeah. So what else? 26. The high here is 26.50. Yeah, it's taken out 26. What do we have? On the 15 minutes, I think we have buy side up there, so I'm going to jump into a small buy. My target is up there at the 50s. I'm going to close it if it starts to dip down. My stop right now is just a hard stop. It's going to be at 392, but I'm going to close it manually. if I see it dropping. I would like to see it break that high up there. Stop loss is at 35. Oh, you sold. Okay. Well, maybe you did the right thing. I just have a bias on the 5-minute and the 15-minute that we have some buy side up there. Also, we have this long wick candle, so I don't know. Went lower here, changed structure. It's like a bullish breaker if you look at it, but poked liquidity here. Not the perfect setup, I know. Here we have a small fair value gap at 02. So that's my last line of defense. If it goes down here, repricing this small gap. It's just going through that. So if that small gap is going to hold, then that's fine. If not, then we're just gonna sell off like crazy. And it seems like we might be selling off like crazy. Only went in with micros into this one. Almost out. And I'm out. Come on. Yeah, I'm out. All right. Out of the trade. This is what it is. Not a big deal. Let's see what's going to happen now. Are we going to sell off? Continue the sell off or not? I mean, this can go either way here. Always greedy. It can go to the 70s, by the way. I can definitely imagine that it can go to the 70s. If it really wants to. Took a sell. If it really wants to go down. All right. Closed it already. I was just scalping with one mini. It was just a quick scalp. It was just a quick scalp. Should be going below the 72s, right? Making some new lows down there. FOMC chop, yeah. Absolutely, Joey, I agree. So, I had an account at BULENOX. I still have it, which was in drawdown, and I started this. I mean, it was a 50K account. It's not the one that I was trading this morning, but it was below 49,000. So I was in a drawdown, and now I made around $400 with scalping with minis. But I'm gonna play with this account. It's just an eval, and unfortunately I messed up the process, but hopefully I can bring it back. Look at that. We're gonna go and break the 73 now, or maybe not. No, it's breaking it. No, it should be. What do we have? Okay, it broke it. So it seemed like that we made a new low. At this point, I closed my trade, and it was only 1 micro too. Yeah, that's what we all should do, and be happy that we survived. You know, that's why I said maybe we have some chance at the opening volume to scalp here and there a little bit, but other than that, I don't think we're gonna have any major thing to do here until FOMC. The market is gonna go into sideways. I'm telling you guys, in about, maybe we have around 30 minutes or 40 minutes. And between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. the market is going to go into sideways action. There is one more small sell side there. I don't think we're gonna take that. Not at this point, at least. So this one can be very well a seek and destroy pattern. Be careful. What do you guys think? It's down there at 60. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna go down that way. Price should be holding this area. Yeah, they're holding this level. So maybe we're gonna stuck here. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I just got my limit order down. But as I told you guys, there is sell side that is taking place now. Not much to do here. Close small TP, yeah. So this area at 60. Oh, you guys didn't see that. I was mentioning this area right there on the 1 minute. It was a beautiful little spike there, and it took it out. The next target is down at 35. Is it gonna take it out? I just wonder. Is it gonna make a new low here? What do we have? We have, I told you guys we have sell side liquidity at 306. I do nothing. Made my money. Morning. Oh yeah, up 3K then. You should be just fine. This is the 3-minute chart. Not much is happening so far. Repricing this area, but it would be dangerous to go for this sell side again. We have sell side at 34, but it can dump down, but that's just gonna stay flat for now. Yeah, nothing here. Trying to pull some. I know you guys don't trade trend lines, me neither. I just like to see sometimes if we're breaking to somewhere, some areas. But yeah, it's holding down. I think, guys, the major move has been made. Nothing to do until FOMC. So how much time is that? Oh my god. Okay, that's gonna be 2 p.m., right? And even if you wait until 2 p.m., what are you gonna do? Nothing. I'm not sure I'm gonna trade this. Maybe this is going to be the shortest stream I had. Grab your discounts, guys. Grab your discounts. Grab your discounts. Now, if this candle leaves the fair value gap, we could be seeing a possible classic YouTube 2022 entry. Could be. What is ES doing? ES went lower. Oh, look at that. Should we paper trade it? Trading panel? Let's paper trade it. There you go. I wanted to buy, but it went too fast. Oh. Well, you can still buy if it retraces somewhere around here. Classic YouTube 2022 entry. You know what? I'm going to paper trade this one. There. Limit order. Only paper trading. Because of FOMC, I'm not risking more from my evaluation accounts or anything. Definitely not from funded account. Market structure shift. All right. Let's see if we can get this one. You know what? I'm actually going to add one more if it takes it. Just for the fun. Or not. It didn't take it yet. Why not? Come on, guys. Come on. Take that. It's not taking it, guys. It's not taking it. Alright, you know what? I'm taking one here. And if it goes down, I'm going to have 2 positions. Because we had 2 fair value gaps here. So one there. One there. Yeah. So these are the 2 entries. So this one has not been taken yet. Which means my final TP would be up there. And my stop loss would be, I don't want to see it, my stop loss would be down there. There. This is the trade. But it's only paper trading, I know. But we're here to learn, right? Share some experience. That's why we're doing it. So then I will have 2 contracts if it goes down there. Doubling up my risk. Maybe I even sell one. Who knows? Let's see if it wants to take it. You will enter at the second. Good choice. Wise choice. Actually, you know what I should do? I should put this down there. That would be a better entry. Now the problem is with taking one mini is that you can't really take partials. That's the problem. By the way, we had another market structure shift. Right there. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So far, so good. I hope you guys have some FOMO. No, I don't. I don't. Don't worry. But I do have some FOMO. You know what? I do have some FOMO. For only entering with... Okay, it can still go down. Somehow, I would still say that we have a chance to go quite high here. I don't know. I don't know. But this high is definitely interesting to me. Especially because it happened after the regular trading hours open. I do like this one up there. And I like it. I like that high. Oh no, look at that. It's going down. Okay, now I have 2 entries. Double the risk. And now it's gonna take out my stop. You know what I'm gonna do? I might going to sell 1 contract. Where was the execution? 1 execution was at 78. 75. Yeah, so if it gets somewhere around here, I might just going to exit 1 to lower my risk. Uh-oh. I feel trouble. If it trades below this line, it's over anyway, because then it wants to do some new lows. Still fine. I'm gonna put a sell order there in case it would spike up. But for now, I think it's not going to. Seems like we're gonna go lower. Or not. I'm exiting 1 contract, that's for sure, if it spikes up there. Let me check the bookmap just for fun. By the way, grab some BULENOX accounts, guys. Today might be the last day. The discount. It's cheap. Guys. Take the accounts. Come on. Take these accounts. Alright, now it's going down again. And almost out. Almost. Not going to modify my stop. Wow. That was interesting. I think my stop was missed with 1 tick. Or maybe not even 1 tick if there's a thing like that. Stop loss at 55. I don't think it will hold. Yeah, my stop loss was, I think it went down to 59.75. Let's see. I'm sorry, 58.75. There you go, 58.75. My stop loss was missed with 1 tick. 1 tick, guys. But that's because I'm a professional. I exactly knew where price should not be going further, you know. I knew that. I knew that my stop loss is not going to get taken. I knew that. I'm perfectly aware what I'm doing here, all right? And we all like paper trading. Now, I wouldn't do this on my live account, at least not with 2 minis. But worst case scenario, I would do it with 2 micros on my live account or funded account. Maybe a little bit more with the evaluation account, but today I managed to save up this account with a little more than $400. I'm happy about that, so sorry. That gives me a little bit of motivation. If it would spike up to 82.50, I would sell one contract and let the rest one ride to optimize my entry, because I would sell my first contract, so the second entry would be a better one from down here, so I would stay with the better entry. I just want to exit with my my first one. Yeah, this looks like bullish for now. It looks bullish at this moment. Who knows what's gonna happen in 1 minute? But I like the target up there. So if we anticipate, let's just anticipate that this is going to be the target. For example, someone from the future come here and says, yes guys, today, in today's market trading hours, this high is gonna get taken out. Then what would you do if someone would travel back from the future? You would grab every opportunity, fair value gaps, order blocks, or anything else to add one more position, right? And that's how simple it is, actually. You should just grab every possible and valid trade entry. I know it's easy if someone comes from the future and tells you that this is going to get taken out. But the rule is, so the man comes from the future and tells you, okay, that's the target, but you can only take trades which are valid, not just pushing the button all the way up. What would you do? You would be taking the fair value gaps, the order blocks, the breakers, everything that's pointing you to a bullish direction, right? That's what you should do. And you know what I think? I think that's a very, very darn good draw on liquidity. Even if now, if it dips lower from some other reason, I would be taking another long, maybe with one more mini. Even if it takes out the stop. But for now, I just want to dump this contract at 82.50. So I can be staying with one valid good contract. So let's dump it. Please. Please, let's dump it. Please, market, just give me an opportunity to dump one contract because I want to leave. There you go. Thank you so much, market. So I dumped the original first contract. And that means this is a perfect risk-reward scenario and the perfect stop loss. It really is. It's a textbook trade right now. And even if I fail with this trade, I wouldn't mind it. Absolutely, I wouldn't mind it. And I'm so confident that we're going to go up there. Even if it takes until the whole PM session, I think it's just going to take it. But if not, I don't care. How much money did we make on this one? Virtual money, that is. It's not real. $165 on the first contract while we were dumping it. So worst case scenario, we're gonna lose around $155. While we are aiming for more than 900. Impeccable risk management. It does feel heavy. I give you that. I give you that. So if they want price to trade below this low, right there at that point, so if we're going to trade below this, then it's clear that they want to continue with the sell-off. So we should be looking for 33 as a next stop, right? Excuse me. Don't forget to drop the likes. It's silver bullet hour. Anyway, guys, I love being here with you guys and everything, but I think I'm just going to cut the stream because I'm super tired. I'm not going to take any more trades. It's FOMC. The market, I'm going to tell you what the market is going to do, right? This is what's going to happen. That's it. And that's going to happen all the way until the PM session, guys. I just don't want to sit here and watch this. So I'm gonna walk away. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna be back in the London session. This is just a paper trade. Yox, thank you so much for dropping in, and push those likes, and see you guys in London. And don't do anything crazy at FOMC because it's gonna be a chop fest and seek and destroy. Thank you so much for watching again. Grab your discount. See you tomorrow. Peace, everyone.